Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple process of depositing checks using the Chase app. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make your check deposits quick and easy. Step 1. Open the Chase app. Start by launching the Chase app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play and log in with your Chase credentials. Step 2. Select Deposit. Once you're logged in, look for the Deposit option on the homepage. Tap on it to proceed to the Check Deposit feature. Step 3. Choose Check Deposit. Within the Deposit section, select the Check Deposit option. This will lead you to the screen where you can start the deposit process. Step 4. Select your account. Choose the account where you want to deposit the check. Ensure you've selected the correct account to avoid any issues with your deposit. Step 5. Capture your check images. Now it's time to take photos of your check. Tap on the front option to take a picture of the front of the check first. Ensure that the check is well lit and fills the frame. Once the photo is taken, check it for clarity before moving on. Repeat this step for the back of the check, ensuring that you've endorsed it by signing your name. Step 6. Enter the check amount. After capturing the images, you'll be prompted to enter the amount of the check. Double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Step 7. Review your deposit. Take a moment to review the details of your deposit. Make sure everything looks correct, including the images and amount. If everything is accurate, tap on the Deposit button. Step 8. Confirmation. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your deposit is being processed. You can check your account balance or transaction history to see when the funds become available. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy banking with Chase!